Hi everyone, welcome to the Self Investment channel. In this channel, we will talk about the Australian income tax rate and how it affects your earnings from your portfolio dividend payments. So, in Australia, they have like different tax rates for different income earned in the financial year for Australia. So, the tax rate in Australia, there is a new tax rate for income of under 18,200. You do not pay any tax. However, when your income is between 18,201 to $45,000 for the year, the income tax rate will be at 19%. And when your income is at 45,001 to $120,000 for the financial year, the tax rate will be at 32.5%. When your income is at $120,001 to $180,000, your income tax will be at 37%. If your income is over $180,001, your tax rate will be at 45%. Okay? So in this case, is you don't pay any tax when your income is 18,200. The 19% tax, the amount of tax that you will need to pay is $5,092. The 32.5%, the total tax to pay is about $24,375. The 37% tax, the amount max out to $22,200. The 45% tax is like $51,667 tax that you have to pay, plus 45% of any earnings over or from $180,001. Okay, so the next one I'll be talking about is an example so that you have an understanding on what your tax is or how much that you have to pay in tax. Okay, an example of this is, let's say your wage or salary earnings for the year, for the financial year, is $50,000, and you have an investment portfolio and you collected like dividend payments of $20,000. Your total income earnings is $70,000. You pay nil tax on 18,200. Your next tax rate that you require to pay is the 19%, and that's at $5,092. And you also, because of your income, you're also in that tax rate of 32.5% that you'll have to pay $8,125. So the total amount that you have to pay in tax is $13,217. So again, your total earnings amounts to 70,000, and the amount of tax that you need to pay is $13,217. Okay. Another example is your wages or salary earnings amounts to $50,000 for the year, and your dividend payments is about $80,000 for the year. Your total earnings amounts to $130,000. The tax rate that you need to apply is the nil tax rate for income under 18,200. You don't pay any tax on that. And you need to apply the 19% tax, and that amounts to $5,092 that you need to pay. There's the 32.5% tax, That amounts to $24,375 tax to pay, and there's the 37% tax, and that amounts to $3,700. So the total tax amount to pay is $33,167. So your total earnings for the year is 130,000. The tax amount that you need to pay is $33,167. I hope this helps you calculate your earnings in Australia. Uh, this is all about creating awareness for us, you individuals, and to help with our individual self investments, investing in yourself with knowledge and money. Thank you for watching. Um, Below is a link to the Australian tax website to get that information that you need to know in terms of your tax obligations. Thank you again.